No.
Okay, is this all we're gonna do?
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. My 1-year-old is gonna be doing my makeup. Do you have anything else to say, baby? Say? Okay, we're just gonna get started. Here, you wanna put this on mommy?
No.
Can you put, and can you do this makeup? Can you do the makeup? You're doing so good. Do this one. Good girl.
Okay.
Yeah? Go like this. Ready? Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Can you do my cheeks? My cheeks. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, are we all done with that one? Or do you want to keep going? Let's go ahead and set it with some setting powder. Okay, ready? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Careful, careful, careful. Dip it in there and then put on mommy's face. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, no. It's okay. It looks good. Wow. Keep going. Can you blend it out? No. Here, I'm gonna help you. Ready? Go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There you go. No? Okay. As you can see, she already got to it a while ago. Wow. Dry.
No.
So now we're going in with the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Here, do my eyelashes. Good girl. There you go. Oh, good job. Do I look pretty? Oh, more? Oh, wow. Yay!
Okay. No.
Which one do you want to do? Which one? Pick one. Pick one. You got to put it on mommy's lips. Here. Thank you.
Apple.
Oh. Good job. I guess we are mixing and matching. Yay! Good job. Thank you. I'll take more. Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh. You doing your makeup? Look, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Little kiss, go mwah. Mwah, good girl.
Mwah.
Mwah. anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my 1-year-old do my makeup. Okay, apparently she is not done with makeup. Oh, she's doing her lipstick. Oh, you're so pretty. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow kiss. Good girl. Okay, go get the kitty. Go get the kitty. Go. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. How do I look, guys? How did she do? She loves playing in my makeup and she has destroyed so many eyeshadow palettes, mascaras, lipstick. Yeah, so she's always getting into my makeup and she watches me do my makeup, so she knows like where the lip products go. She's seen me do the beauty blender and she'll randomly find something on the floor and like act like she's using it. It's so cute. And hi! Kids really watch us and learn from us, which is so amazing and crazy at the same time. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will be showing her on my channel more.
Bye.
If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, especially if you want to see more of us and more videos like this. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss when a video is posted. Make sure to turn on my notification bell, that way you are notified the second a video goes up. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. I will link everything in the description down below and also at the end of the video. Okay guys, well that is it. She is currently putting on more makeup, so I gotta go. I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye guys.